Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to create an API key in OpenAI. So let us jump straight in. We're going to go ahead now, and at the top left hand side you can see you have a menu. You're going to look for platform.openai.com, and this will be where you will actually do everything. So you're going to have to log in. Once you've logged in, this is what your interface will look like, and you can go over to that left hand side. You will see that there is a menu. Now alternatively, if you're using a different device, possibly a Mac, this is Windows, you will find that this personal tab, which is currently on the bottom left hand side, will be at the top right hand side, and you'll be able to access this menu from there. So you're looking for API keys, and you're going to go in there. Now once you're in there, you can see over here that this is where you manage all your API keys. Quite clearly, there is a button that says create new secret key, and you're going to tap on that. Now over here we're going to go test key 101, and this is just the name of the key. So this is good if you want a reference as to what you will be using it for, the different apps you'll be integrating, and this will now be on your list. The name is optional though, so you don't have to put in a name. You can give it permission, so you can have everyone available to use it. You can have it restricted. You can see all the details when it is restricted, so you can have all of these sections restricted, or you can have it a read only. So we're just going to keep it on all, and you're going to go ahead and say create secret key. Now once you create the secret key, it gives you the option to copy this secret key, and you need to copy it because it does say that you will not be able to view it again using your OpenAI account. So if you lose the secret key, you'll need to generate a brand new one, which of course is easy enough, but we want to keep things simple. So we're going to go ahead, tap on copy, and we're going to tap on done. You have your API secret key, and now you can use it wherever it is that you need to use that. And the reason you generated it, you can go ahead and use it now. If this was helpful, drop us a like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. We'll see you next time. Cheers.